Hi guys, and welcome to another video. Today I will be reorganizing my pantry. When we moved in about 2 months ago, we kind of just threw things in here, and now it's time to really get in and sort and declutter and get rid of stuff we don't even use. So I hope you guys stick around and enjoy this video, and let's get into it. So I'm going to be going over the items I'm using to organize. I got these from a few different locations. The first thing is the Lazy Susans. I actually don't end up using the small one, but I use the large one, and those are from Tuesday Morning. These little purple bins here with the clip tops are from the Dollar Tree, as well as these purple and white baskets are from the Dollar Tree as well. And then this 3-piece little mini storage thing, which I don't even end up using, is from the Dollar Tree. And lastly are these labels. I actually ordered these on Amazon, and I ordered the larger pack, which includes pantry labels as well as household and personal care labels, but you don't need to order that bulk pack, but I was going to use them to organize other items around the house. So I ordered those from Amazon. They're just stickers, and I'm excited to use those to make the pantry look even better. The first thing I'm doing is just taking everything out of the pantry. I like to see everything that I have before I start organizing, and it makes it a lot easier to kind of declutter what I don't use or expired food and just put things where they belong and sort and then put them in the baskets. So I'm just taking everything out, and after I do that, I don't end up wiping down the pantry because I did that when we first moved in, so it's really not that dirty. Another thing I want to mention really quick is obviously we don't have a pantry door. We do have one, but it broke off. So we're kind of working with this, and it's bothering me. So hopefully we get that fixed soon. But in case anyone was wondering, we do have a door. It just broke. Now that I have everything out of the pantry, I'm just going through some stuff that I know I've had for a while and making sure none of it expired. And then I'm going to be taking everything out of the bins and the containers and just basically throwing it on the counter so I can see everything I have and then reorganize it. Here I am just testing out which bins fit where and what bins I can put next to each other, and luckily they ended up fitting really nicely with the purple and the white next to each other, which is what I ended up doing. So I'm glad that I got those two bins together. And finally we can actually get to the organizing. So I do a lot of taking things in and out because I don't like how it looks or how it fits, which I don't show all of it because it literally took me like forever. But you guys will see the gist of me organizing the bins and kind of deciding what fits best and what doesn't. I also wanted to show you guys really quick, this is another way you can label if you don't have the right labels. I literally cut the label off the box and tape it on the bin, and it's been working out really great because you know exactly what items and flavors are in the bin. I hope you guys are enjoying this organization video so far. Wow, I can't even speak. I want to use this time to introduce myself really quickly if you're new. My name is Alyssa and I'm 22 years old. I don't have any kids, but I am a full-time nanny during the week, and then I work part-time for a few different jobs. I do organization and cleaning videos a couple times a week on my channel. So if you guys are interested in that, I would love if you guys would subscribe. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. So labeling the white bins with the little holes was a little bit trickier, so I had to kind of figure something out. So what I ended up doing was cutting out a little piece of paper and sticking the label right on there, and then cutting it out to kind of make it look even and straight. And then I used my command little stickies. I put 3 on the back of this one, but I put 2 on the rest, and I just stuck it to the front. And it looks so good, and it seems to be sturdy. So I ended up doing that for these little white baskets, and then for the purple ones I just stuck the label right on there because it had a flat front, so it wasn't really an issue.
Would you have me back over once again? On and on and on, dwell till I'm torn apart. On and on, steps going through my heart. Try and save me, try and break my fall. On and on, dwell till I'm torn apart.
And here is the final product. I am literally so satisfied with how it turned out. It looks so nice and neat. And I also want to point out really quickly, there are some spots, like if you can see the cereal, we only have 1 box of cereal, which is not realistic at all. We usually have like a ton. And the macaroni, we only have 1, but we would usually have way more than that. So I need to go grocery shopping, but I'm so glad I have the extra space to buy more groceries and fit it in without feeling like it's all crammed. And that's going to bring us to the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Please check out my other cleaning videos. And again, please subscribe if you like the content I create. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye.